when people measure the cost and benefit of sustainable land management, including agroforestry, if you measure it from soil side, you will have the soil benefit only. If you measure it only through biodiversity, you have the biodiversity benefit only. If you measure it from climate side only, then you are measuring the climate benefits only. If you measure only income or yield from farmers, you are measuring from a small section of the benefits that you are getting on investment on sustainable land management. So if you really have a holistic economic evaluation of the whole thing, what we are hearing from here at the COP is that, the benefit on landscape restoration using sustainable land management, including agroforestry and then forestry related interventions, is between 7 and then 30% return on investment. For any dollar you put, you get 7 to 30% more money. It makes perfect sense in terms of investment. So also, if you go to most of the side events, people are discussing about scary figures. Oh, land degradation is doing this, drought is doing that. But also there are opportunities of investment of this nature by which I think we need to frame our thinking. We need to really frame the way we really communicate in terms of the whole economics or financial means of sustainable land management, particularly for CIFOR-ICRAF. And we have been invited into a number of events that we couldn't mention. So I think we have seen the signature that we are living here in Riyadh on the UNECC COP16 is so tremendous.